All right, the GameStop contract wallet has picked up some more tokens. We now have Tether and maybe AMP as well. Let's see. Nope, not AMP. Let's go to Tether. Tether, Tether, Tether. Tether. So if we look at Tether, right, it says filtered by token holder. This is the GameStop number here. Now we have a transfer, right? 21 hours, 17 minutes ago from Coinbase 5. Quantity was 13. So this is the legit Coinbase wallet. You can tell because their balance is 6.3 million US dollars. Contract name Tether USD. That's the contract. So this is the legit contract from Tether sent directly to GameStop, and now they are holding it. So how about them apples? Tether, baby. Let's go.